Hi, so this is my narrated video for the non-parametrics discussion. So this first test that I ran was the Mann-Whitney test. Here you can see my descriptive statistics, my ranks, and my test statistics. And then the second test that I ran was the Wilcoxon Test. So I split the file so that I have the tables for ecstasy and then I have the tables for alcohol. So again, here's my descriptive statistics, my ranks, my test statistics for ecstasy, and then for alcohol, again, the descriptive statistics, ranks, and test statistics. And then here are my interpretation of the results as well as the clustered bar chart. So for the Mann-Whitney U test, I said that there was no difference in the Beck Depression Inventory scores between the ecstasy group and the alcohol group on Sunday. And then that the ecstasy group Beck Depression Inventory scores were significantly higher than the alcohol group on Wednesday. And then, of course, I added like the mean, and the Mann-Whitney U score, the Z-score, and then the significance. And then for the Wilcoxon rank tests, I wrote that the ecstasy group had higher Beck Depression Inventory scores on Wednesday than on Sunday, and that the alcohol group had lower Beck Depression Inventory scores on Wednesday than on Sunday. And then again, the mean, the Z-scores, significance. And then this is my clustered bar graph or bar chart. It shows the difference in ecstasy and alcohol scores on Sunday and then on Wednesday. I wrote that the Beck Depression Inventory scores for ecstasy were highest on Wednesday and the Beck Depression Inventory scores for alcohol were highest on Sunday.